Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WhatsApp chat history to iPhone iCloud. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the WhatsApp application. Tap on the WhatsApp icon to launch the app. Once inside WhatsApp, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select Chats. Next, tap on Chat Backup. You'll see the option that says Backup Now. Before backing up, ensure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network for a smoother process. Now, tap Backup Now. WhatsApp will start backing up your chat history to iCloud. Monitor the progress bar to see when the backup completes. Once the backup is finished, you'll see the date and time of the last backup. If you want to enable automatic backups, look for the Auto Backup option. Tap on Auto Backup and choose your preferred backup frequency. You can select from daily, weekly, or monthly backups. Make sure that you are logged into your iCloud account. Also, ensure you have enough iCloud storage for the backup. To verify your iCloud settings, exit WhatsApp and go to your iPhone settings. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the settings menu. Select iCloud and make sure iCloud Drive is turned on. Scroll down to find WhatsApp and ensure it is enabled. Your backup process is now complete. You have successfully backed up your WhatsApp chat history to iCloud on your iPhone. Your important conversations and media files are now safely stored in iCloud and can be restored when needed. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.